Welcome back. This video will show you how to uninstall a recent Windows update. You might want to do this if a new update is causing problems on your PC, but remember that some updates help with security and you could be putting yourself at more risk. Thankfully, it's quite simple to uninstall an update. The first thing to do will be to go to the control panel. You can get there by searching for it in the search bar. Click on Programs and then find where it says View Installed Updates. It should be in blue and in the Programs and Features section. You'll now be able to see the list of Windows 10 updates under the Microsoft Windows heading. You can choose an update to uninstall from this list, and the dates on the right will help you determine which one you'll need to uninstall. To uninstall an update, all you need to do is right-click on it and then select the Uninstall button, then Yes. And that's how to uninstall a Windows 10 update. If you have any questions, let me know and I will try and respond as soon as I can. If you found the video helpful, make sure you leave a like and feel free to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I will see you in another video.